What's up, guys? Jason here at Kaiser Willys again, talking about some new parts. We've actually been carrying this for quite a bit of time. This is the door lock mechanism, or the way that it opens on the early truck and station wagon. So here's the assembly, and this is what it would have looked like originally. And this is one of our used takeouts. So this is going to be your driver's side. It was this push button. So rather than a handle, this early style had the push button. You can see this guy's been through it, and I've seen a lot of them that have been way worse than this guy. But anyway, so the way that this was done was they would push it through here and then melt the plastic on the underside, and that's how it would stay. So it was not a replaceable part, more so than just, you know, one-time use. You weren't taking it off to clean it or anything like that. You would do it in the vehicle. But like I said, I've seen these in way worse shape than that one. So Kaiser Willys offers these in ivory and in black, and it'll just pop right into place, and there you have it. All right, so let's see what it looks like to install one of these things. So what we'll do is, this is the way that this would work. So this is our little push button. This is the top part. This is the bottom part. So then when you angle it, it's going to come up like that, because that's how you would push it. So all you have to do on the back side, these guys little line up, is get your, you know, whatever you want to use for a solder, like for solder, and basically just kind of squish the melt down like that. Kind of melt it so that it will then secure. And it's going to dry or cool off, really. And it does not take long for this stuff to cool to where it's hard. So now that we're done, it's cooling off as we speak. It's on there, just like that. And that's how it was done from the factory. Was these things were not like a pop on, pop off thing. They were meant to stay on there for basically the life of the thing. So these get damaged. I pulled one off the other day that had to screw down the center. They get cracked, and sometimes they're missing. Real neat product. You can get this in this ivory color, and you can get it in black as well from KaiserWillys.com. So I hope that helps, guys. Pick this up at Kaiser Willys. Give me a call. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.